Good afternoon, students. Welcome to Swayam Siksha. Today, I wanted to discuss on the approaching prelims exam. So many students were asking, sir, by 16th, mains are going to be over, and what would be the ideal time we should start our prelims preparation? So till when can we continue our mains preparation? And what is your opinion about prelims preparation and how many hours we should give for preliminary exam? Okay, so we have around 100 and 120 days, and what we have to do, how do we strategize our preparation and things like that. So what I want to suggest is, so the ideal time to prepare for civil services preliminary should be from Feb 1st onwards. It may be your first attempt or second attempt or third attempt or fourth attempt, whichever attempt it is. The newcomers basically, definitely you have to completely shift to prelims preparation by at least Feb 5th. We can't take chances because the preliminary exam has become way too unpredictable, and we have to widen our horizons in terms of preparation. We can't leave any subject touched. We have to touch each and every subject, including current affairs. Okay, so that's the reason. So ideal time should be Feb 1st, and somebody who feels that prelims is a cakewalk for them, then probably Feb 15th should be the ideal time for starting your preparation for prelims. So how do we prepare? What should we do? So first and the foremost thing you should be doing is take the previous question papers of last 6-7 years, sit with the question papers, analyze what is asked in the exam. That's the first thing we have to do. Analysis does not mean you're checking how many questions are coming from which subject. Rather, you'll see the type and pattern of questioning of UPSC. What is he really expecting out of us? That's the most important area. So especially last year's paper, prelims paper, was a little tricky and dicey, in the sense that the questions were from sports were asked. Okay, and there were different kinds of bouncers which were asked in the question, in the exam, in the question paper. So just go through the question papers first. Those who have already written and those students who are not successful in the previous attempts, please see the way you have answered and check your scores. How many additional questions you should have marked to clear the exam, or how many less mistakes you should have made. So these kind of analysis is the first thing which you should be doing as far as prelims preparation is concerned. Second important aspect is obviously practice. If we practice more, okay, so we'll be in a position to clear the exam. We have more chances to clear the preliminary exam. So what I mean by practice, practice cannot be blind practice. Practice should be analyzed each and every day. You should be checking the way you are improving your accuracy levels. You should also check in which subject you have loopholes conceptually, and in which subject you don't have, you have not covered the syllabus properly, or where there is more need for practice, etc. So these things have to be analyzed before preparation itself, so that you can strategize your preparation. You can allot time to your different subjects. For example, subjects like economy and polity, which were conceptual, many people felt it is okay, we can manage. But subjects like science and technology and environment were a little difficult. So now you have to allot more time and see which areas have to be covered in detail. So like this, some amount of introspection, some amount of analysis of previous papers is the key to success. Please do that. And another important aspect which I wanted to stress is the CSAT preparation. So CSAT is something which has become the most important crucial area, especially last year, where many engineers also failed in CSAT. So please do analyze and check whether your mathematical or your aptitude skills are okay or not. If your aptitude skills are bad, please do start your preparation right away. Fix a time, like daily 1 hour, 1.5 hours, how much ever time you can allot. and please go through the previous CSAT papers and start your preparation according to the UPSC standards. So these are the few suggestions which I wanted to give, and it is high time that you switched your preparation. At least prelims orientation should start from Feb 1st. Start solving more questions, get the conceptual clarity, practice CSAT papers, so that the first stage should not hamper your UPSC goal. Because many students are good at writing, many students are good in their optional subject, and they're not even getting a chance to express their skills in the final exam. And it is purely happening because of this dangerous stage, which is the preliminary stage, which has become more and more uncertain in the recent years. To make this uncertainty more certain, we are also going to start a video series on our YouTube. So we're going to come up with few videos of elimination techniques, etc. And I want to check whether people are really interested. If you do want me to come up with elimination technique sessions every week on a continuous basis, please do comment in our comment box. Based on your comments, based on your requirements, I'm going to come up with our future classes on YouTube, which will focus not just on concepts but also on elimination techniques. So that's all for today. Please do comment in the comment box, like what are the areas you really want as far as prelims is concerned, and do you really want me to come up with elimination technique videos? My previous elimination technique videos you can check. Do you really want me to come up with few more videos like that? Please do comment in the comment box. Based on your comments, I will decide like whether we will be doing such videos on a regular basis or not. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have come up with essay discussion programs, etc. Do watch our essay discussion programs, and please do comment in the comment box like what more you want with respect to essay analysis, etc. So waiting for your comments. Thank you.